Shark skin is covered with tiny tooth-like scales called dermal denticles. Hippos spend most of their day in water to keep cool. Despite their big size, they can run surprisingly fast on land. Dogs are mammals with sharp teeth, an excellent sense of smell, and a fine sense of hearing. Turtles are reptiles that have existed for around 215 million years. They belong to one of the oldest reptile groups in the world, even older than snakes, crocodiles, and alligators. Baby dolphins can't breathe underwater. Even though dolphins are marine animals, they are also mammals, meaning they have lungs instead of gills. Baby dolphins can hold their breath for quite a while, often up to 15 minutes at a time. Penguin feet are also adapted to help the birds steer while swimming. They use their feet like rudders, angling them to help control direction. Frogs have no tail except as larvae, and most have long hind legs, elongated ankle bones, webbed toes, no claws, large eyes, and a smooth or warty skin. Giraffes are the tallest animals on land, with necks that can be 6 feet long. They only need to drink water once every few days because they get moisture from leaves. Snails can be found everywhere on Earth, even in Antarctica. They're not fond of hot or dry weather. Snails hibernate in the winter. Pandas are bears, specifically known as giant pandas. Their scientific name is Ailuropoda melanoleuca, which means black and white cat-footed bear. Lizards are reptiles with scaly skin and long tails. Many lizards can regrow their tails if they lose them. Hermit crabs travel in colonies. Hermit crabs can live more than 30 years in the wild. Beetles are insects with hard shell-like wings that cover their real wings. There are more beetle species than any other kind of insect in the world. Caterpillars are the larval stage of butterflies and moths. They love to eat leaves and can munch through a lot of food before turning into a butterfly or moth. Camels can go for weeks without water because they store fat in their humps. Their feet are wide and flat, perfect for walking on hot desert sand. The long tentacles trailing from the jellyfish can inject venom from thousands of microscopic barbed stingers. Baby pigs are called piglets, and they weigh about 2.5 pounds, 1.1 kilograms, at birth. They can recognize their mother's voice when they are just 2 weeks old. A baby rabbit is called a kit, a female is called a doe, and a male is called a buck. Rabbits are very social creatures that live in groups. Starfish, also known as sea stars, are one of the most beautiful-looking animals in the vast ocean. They have a surprisingly unusual anatomy, with no brain or blood, yet are able to digest food outside their body. Although often called koala bears, koalas are actually marsupials, not bears. An octopus can change color quickly depending on its surroundings or its mood. It can be gray, brown, pink, blue, green, or even an angry red if it is suddenly frightened. Lions are often called the king of the jungle, although they actually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Female clownfish lay up to 1,000 eggs at a time on rocks or coral near anemones. Males guard and care for the eggs until they hatch after 4 to 8 days. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals and can run up to 75 miles per hour. They have black tear marks on their faces to help reduce glare from the sun. Seahorses face threats from habitat loss, fishing, and climate change. Each zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes, like a fingerprint. Their stripes help confuse predators and keep them cool in the hot sun. Cicadas are insects known for their loud buzzing sounds, especially in summer. Some cicadas spend years underground before coming out as adults. Great white sharks are actually conflict avoidant. Great white sharks existed before dinosaurs. The largest great white shark was found in Mexico. Great whites have social hierarchy. A zebra's stripes are like human fingerprints. Every zebra has a unique stripe pattern. Zebras can sleep standing up. There are 3 species of zebra. Whales live in oceans and seas all over the world. Some species can be found in rivers. Large species often migrate or travel from one place to another